and get her out of here. This doesn't look good for our businesses right here, man. Ooh, she's got, man, this car is not even legal to be on the road, and the tabs are expired. June 2019. It's already July. And what is this? Oh, I don't even want to know what's in that bag. Oh, okay, yeah, it's pretty obvious she's living in her car, man. What's this? No, this old dead moth. Oh, man. I just got a purse in here, makeup all over. There's old dirty underwear. Man, come on. I thought you had a higher class than women, buddy. You got to do something here. This ain't looking good. This ain't looking good at all. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Well, what the hell? Did she lose her keys and try prying her own door open? There's all these. She battered into something. Wow. Concrete medium or what? This ain't legal either. Oh, what the hell is that? What is that? And there's a pocket knife and a shoe, surgical scissor, hot pink underwear, old dirty sock up in the dash. Oh man, Don, this just ain't gonna work. It looks bad having your girlfriend live here outside our businesses. You gotta move her over by the railroad tracks. It'll be all right over there. Nobody will bother her. Okay, I guess this is a quick access to opening the hood. That's kind of weird. All right. Yeah, as I said, the license plates are expired. You can't have this on the street. Whoa, what the hell happened here? Ouch. Again, highly illegal to be driving this. There's no lens on this. How does this even work like that? No reflector. That's all busted out. Whoa. Oh man. Ooh, what the world happened? Okay. Oh, okay. So the tire's flat as a pancake. What? Oh, holy cow! Look at this. Don, did you get in an argument? Did you try sabotaging her? You could have killed her. I mean, the car is already unsafe. Look at this. It's a shoestring holding the bumper on, man. You got to take care of your women. You got money? Take care of your women. Good grief. Holy cow, Don. Is this how you treat your girlfriend? I'm ashamed and disgusted. And I understand there's rough times right now, but having your girlfriend live in her car outside your air-conditioned space, that's just not right. It's not right at all, man. Get you both out of here. Man, if I knew a tow truck. Well, if we can find a spare tire and wheel that will mount on here, maybe we can get her out of here, because this does not look good, Don. Not at all. Oh, man. What in the world? You two get in a fight or something? Oh, I don't know. All right, I'll post a follow-up update when I hear more and I see Don.